Back in 2016, Google unveiled the Google Assistant, offering a reliable and personal voice assistant to every smartphone user. And later in 2018, they released the Actions on Google SDK, enabling third party developers to build actions for the Google Assistant. So we thought, why not take a normal task, one that every student performs, and rebuild it so that it can be done in as less time as possible? So, for the students of MS Ramaiah Institute of Technology, Team Impractical Coders present to you Ritbot Student.
Hi, how can I help?
Hi, I'm Suraj Kumar, a fresher at MSRIT, and let's say I want to view my attendance details. What would I do? I'd go to parents.msrit.edu, I'd type in my USN, date of birth, and then log in. After that, I dismiss this alert dialog, which has been there since like forever, and then only then I get access to my marks and attendance. And note that all this is on a website which really is not that secure. But what if I could do all this with just voice commands? What if I don't have to enter my credentials each time? What if I just use my phone, tablet, smart display, or even a smartwatch? What if I just say, hey Google,
Hi, how can I help?
talk to Ritbot Student?
But before that, let me walk you through the journey of our project. So it all started in the month of February. We came across a website called Actions on Google. When we dig deep into it, we found that it is the same service which lets you create apps on Google Assistant. You all might have known about Google Assistant. You all might have used it. With one command, OK Google, what's the weather like today? You can get all the details of the weather and you can know if it's going to rain, if it is sunny, what is going to happen tomorrow, will it rain or will it be a sunny day? So with just one voice command, you can get to know so many details. So we thought, why not integrate Google Assistant in our project also? Then after a lot of brainstorming, we decided that we'll solve the student information system problem. You have to go to parents.msrit.edu. You have to enter your USN, you have to enter your date of birth, then click on login. Then you have to wait for the website to load, then you have to close the alert dialog, then check your marks. Isn't it a cumbersome process? So we thought, why not do something to simplify this process? Why not create a Google Assistant app which lets you do it easily with no hassle? With one command, you can access all the details and assignments. So we started thinking about it. We thought about the design process, the architecture, the components, the language used, the services we need, the hosting services which we deploy, everything, and we came to a conclusion. Now, there was one problem. Our college didn't have an API to access marks and attendance directly through a URL. Fortunately, one of our seniors designed an API where you just feed in the USN and date of birth and you get back all the student details. So we decided to use that API in our project. Now, Suraj will explain more about Dialogflow.
Back here in the world of Dialogflow, we created intents. Intents are certain key phrases which are mapped to do a particular task. Each of these intents are connected to a backend glitch. For a backend, we've used JavaScript using the Node.js framework with the help of many packages like the Actions on Google SDK, Express, and Axios. With this, we are able to parse the JSON and display the marks and attendance on the screen. However, the bot still does not remember your USN and date of birth, meaning you would have to enter it each time you log in. We gotta fix this.
That's where Firebase comes in. Firebase is a platform where we can get access to Google's own database service, which is fast, efficient, and secure. So we store the URL of specific student in the database. And whenever the user says talk to Ritbot student, we just query that URL and we get back all the details, we pass it and we send it to the user. But thanks to Firebase, Firebase is supported on major platforms like JavaScript, Android, Dart, iOS. It has zero downtime. So we decided to use this service to store our students' API URL in the database. Now, the database which we are using is called Cloud Firestore. Cloud Firestore is a NoSQL database hosted on Google Cloud Platform which helps us store data in collections and document format. Collection is nothing but the container of documents. So in our database, the key is the API URL and the value is the URL itself. The URL contains the USN and the date of birth of the student. Since Firebase is 100% secure, we don't have any worries about the data being compromised.
Now that we have our database and server set up, all that's left is coding the entire workflow. Step by step, we go from collecting the user's information all the way to the thank you message. After coding, we had to train the Dialogflow intents, voice matching models in order to better understand commonly used phrases and other expressions that the user may tell the Google Assistant.
Months of testing, hit and trial, and a nationwide lockdown to get it up and running. Our bot has been pushed to our alpha ring testers, filed out directory listings, and gone through multiple invocation phrases to get it to what it is today, the RIT bot student.
The chatbot works on any smartphone running Android or iOS. It even works on Android smartwatches and smart home devices. With this service, we ensure total privacy for all our users. Impractical Coders does not use any of the information for any purpose. All data transactions are handled by Google Assistant only. Impractical Coders does not share with or sell any information to third parties. We are committed ensuring user privacy and will make sure we do our best to keep our IT bot students secure for use.
And now, it's time to cut to the chase and get back to our demo.
Welcome to RITBot Student. To use this service, you will need to provide your USN and date of birth once. For this, you'll need an account with RITBot Student. To create a new one for you, I'll just need some info. If you want more details, say, tell me more. So, can I ask Google for your name, email address, and profile picture? Okay, by the way, our terms of service and our privacy policy are on our website. You can look them over at any time. Now, ready to make your new RITBot Student account? Great, your new RITBot Student account is set up. You'll get a confirmation email soon. Please enter your USN. Validating your credentials. We will use your email ID to store your details for the next prompt. How can I help you? Here's your attendance report. Tap on a subject to view it in detail. Here are your marks. Tap on a subject while the mic is listening to view it in detail. Here's a detailed overview. Here's your attendance report. Tap on a subject to view it in detail. Here's a detailed overview. Your attendance meets the set criteria. Here's a detailed overview. You must attend at least 3 more classes to get 75% attendance by the end of the semester. This action has been developed by Team Impractical Coders from Ramaiah Institute of Technology. Check out their GitHub profile.
If you're a student at MSRIT watching this video, then try out RITBot Student.
Link in the description below. Also, please share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. Also, share this video to your fellow RITians and tell them about this amazing service which we are bringing.
I'm Suraj.
I am Akash
I'm Sankal.
I'm Vaishnavi
And
and we are Team Practical Coders. See you around.